topic of conversation is an upcoming celebration. Could you please tell me about an upcoming celebration?
Yeah. About next month will be my birthday, and yes, next month my birthday is, and I would like to celebrate it at the restaurant.
Okay, very nice. And which is your favorite festival in the UK?
My favorite festival in the UK is Christmas, Christmas events,
Mm-hmm.
and it is very nice and beautiful and colorful and very nice. I like it very much. Yes, decorations are very beautiful.
What's your New Year's resolution?
What nice